What's going on, guys? This is James from Gale Garage, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Yardworks 30-inch 357cc snowblower from Canadian Tire. I've gone ahead and cut the top of the box away to expose the protective wood crating on the inside. Now, as you can see, mine's broken, and this happened when I was offloading it from the truck. I'm going to remove the side panel, and we can take a look at how the rest of this unit's packed inside the box. Okay, so here's a side view of the snowblower resting on the shipping crate inside the box. I've given everything a good look over, and everything appears to be in order, and nothing appears to have been damaged in transportation. So let's take a look at what comes inside the box. As always, you'll find the owner's manual, some extra shear pins, and the plastic key needed to operate the ignition. I've cut away the rest of the cardboard and assembled the snowblower. There really is nothing to it. All you need to do is flip the handles up and tighten them into position. The chute pops into place, and the control arm is secured with a cotter pin. With the snowblower now wheeled off the crate and into my driveway, we can get a better look at it. As the subject of the video will tell you, this unit is from Yardworks, which is made by MTD. This unit features a 30-inch clearing width and has an extreme auger. Not really sure what makes it extreme, but have a look for yourself anyways. The chute is listed as being extra tall and constructed of an Arctic tested high impact polymer. The engine comes equipped with a convenient electric start. And the tires in this unit are 60 inches. They appear to be of decent quality. The tread looks like it will handle the snow quite well. The engine is listed as coming pre-filled with oil. It takes 5W30. However, you will need to add some gasoline before the initial startup, as the tank is completely empty. Moving on up to the controls, this model comes equipped with heated hand grips, six forward speeds, and 2 reverse. The chute lever is cable controlled and feels very sturdy, as it should be right out of the box. It moves the head up and down with very little effort. Gearing on the chute directional control is absolutely incredible. You can swivel the head of the chute 180 degrees in what feels like less than 2 full turns. Down here on the side, we have the choke, throttle, and primer pump. And the power plant for this machine is a single-cylinder 357cc overhead valve Powermore engine. Here is the model number of this machine. As you can see, it is noted as being assembled in the USA. However, most, if not all, of the components are made offshore. Okay, so I've filled the gas tank completely. It takes about 5 liters. Let's put the key in and check the oil. This unit comes pre-filled, but it's always a great idea to double check that. If I can get the camera to focus here on the hash marks, you will see that we have good clean oil up to the top level. We're good to go. Now let's fire the engine up for the first time. You will need to prime the motor by pressing the prime pump 2 to 3 times. Turn the choke all the way and set the throttle to about 15 to 20%, and we are ready to give it a couple of pulls. It should start right up on the second pull. Once the engine is running, you can go ahead and turn off the choke. It's never a bad idea to give the engine a moment or two to warm up at low throttle and gradually ramp it up before you go full out. A few days later, we got about 6 to 8 inches of snow, and it was perfect timing to give this unit a try. As you can see from the GoPro footage, this unit made short work of my 4-car driveway, as well as a few of my neighbors. My first impression of this snowblower is that it performed very well, as expected for a unit with an engine this size and clearing width. Never did it feel like the motor was being bogged down. It did not matter if it was running on high or low speed, the snowblower felt very strong. The shoe control in this unit, both up and down and the directional head swivel, are amazing. You really cannot appreciate how fluid they move until you are out using it. As I mentioned in the walk around, this unit does have heated grips, but I snowblow with gloves on, so I really can't comment on their usefulness. I had them on, but I didn't really feel much of anything at all. Also, the LED light I can't speak too much on because it was daytime. Perhaps I will have some night use in the near future and can post a follow-up review after a half season of use and give you some input on that. After limited use, I have to say I'm very happy with this purchase. I got it on sale at Canadian Tire back in October, and since then the price hasn't dropped any lower. I think it looks pretty good, cosmetically speaking. Mechanically, it appears to be well made, if not better than most sub $1,500 units, but we'll see how it holds up to use a few times per week here in the winter in Canada. As they looked, the tires worked great in the snow, and I would expect to get no less than 10 years out of this machine. There's no reason it could not last a lot longer with proper maintenance and care. That's it for our review. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.